How to view saved passwords on your mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to view saved passwords on your mobile, open any of your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for google.com. Tap on your profile icon now and then tap on Manage your Google account. Here you will see the option for security. Tap on that. Scroll down until you see the option for Password Manager under Saved Passwords. You will now be able to view all your saved passwords. Tap on the option whose password you want to view. You will be asked to enter your Gmail account password, so go ahead and enter the password and tap on Next. And now if you tap on the I like icon, you will see the password. If you want, you can also copy the password to the clipboard. You can also edit or delete the password. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.